What's the meaning of chameleon? Chameleon. Chameleon.
Chameleon. Chameleon. A chameleon is a type of lizard that has the ability to change its skin color to match its surroundings. This ability helps it to camouflage and hide from predators or sneak up on prey. The word chameleon is often used to describe people who are able to adapt or change themselves to fit into any situation or environment. Such people are known for their versatility and flexibility and are often skilled at blending in with different groups of people or adapting to new situations.